Okay, Foggy Pod and Foggy Girl. Okay, seems interesting. Okay, here we are back in blocks for the 1 millionth time. By the way, I don't know what those bunny ears are, but I'm okay with it. But I don't know, I'm more like dogs. But I'm fine with it. It blocks fruits. I did not mean friend that guy. I do not friend random people. Unless if I don't know and Jim Jim knows, I'll still friend them. Okay, so get you. Okay, let me get them real quick before it ends. Okay. Go! But don't check the sound.